Welcome back, guys. In this last project, oh wait, it's not the last project because we have to build Cypher Caesar. So in this project of today's video, I have to build a prime number checker. Okay, so prime numbers are numbers that can only be cleanly divided by itself and 1. You need to write a function that checks whether if the number passed into it is a prime number or not. 2 is a prime number because it's only divisible by 1 and 2. But 4 is not a prime number because it can be divisible by 1, 2, and 4. Okay, we have this thing. Let's place it here in our pseudocode. Let's make it black and see. Okay, so prime are divisible by itself and 1. The rest are not primes. Okay, we have to use def prime checker. We see down here that we have to use the function prime checker. We have the argument number, which is the input of the number. Okay, inside here we have to check for numbers in range of the input, meaning that it's in a for x in range of numbers. If we start with, so we have to check any number. I will place 2 and the number. Actually, I have to place here the argument number. Okay, let me see. So for any number in range of 2 and that number, yes, if x remainder of 2 equals 0 is not prime. Because if the number is, if for instance 2, well, that's not a good, let's take 4 remainder with 4. It is 0. It is 0. But 4 is not a prime number. Ooh. Let's see. See, 3 is a prime number. Yeah, equals 0. So for x in range from 2 and the input, if that number divisible by 2 and the remainder is 0, it is not a prime. It seems that I resolved the issue. If you take, for instance, number 9, divided by 1, and let's go all the way down to 9. Okay, so I check for x, which is this number, in the range of 2, because any number is divisible by 1, it will always give me that number. And the number is the input. So here, okay, I've said here for x in range from 2 to the number, if n remainder of the x is 0, it's not prime. Right? So if our number divided by the list of numbers equals 0, the remainder, the check is false. it's not prime. Otherwise, it's prime. Primos. Cool. Great. This is Exercise, guys. See you in the next one. We have Caesar Cipher. I can't wait for that one. Have a great day. Bye.